Nitrogen in the ground is taken into plants. Consumers eat them. Adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine are DNA's bases. A pairs with T and C pairs with G contains genetic info. In the double helix, the nitrogen continues into mitosis. The phases are plasmiotaco, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. In prophase, the chromatin condenses. The nuclear envelope breaks down. In metaphase, the chromosomes connect to spindles. In anaphase, the chromatids separate. Finally, in telophase, the nuclear envelope starts to form. The nitrogen continues. Meiosis has two parts, meiosis 1 and 2, same phases as mitosis. Crossing over is when chromatids exchange portions of their chromatids. DNA is a nucleic acid made up of nucleotides joined by covalent bonds making up genes. Amino acids of proteins determine certain traits, alleles, incomplete dominance, codominance, and also principles of dominance show up in the genes. They pass from parent to offspring. Transcription occurs in the nucleus. Hydrogen bonds get broken. RNA polymerase adds nucleotides. Proofreads its work. mRNA to cytoplasm. Translation occurs in the cytoplasm. Decoding of mRNA into proteins.
Translation is the process of making proteins from the message in the mRNA strand. Together, the amino acid forms long chains called polypeptides. Their order determines the protein's function. During DNA replication, the DNA molecule separates into two new strands and then produces two new complementary strands following the base pairing rules. First, the strand separates. Second, the first strand serves as a template for a complementary strand to form. Third, the result is two double-stranded DNA molecules that are identical. The main enzyme involved is DNA polymerase. This happens in the nucleus. One mutation that can occur is substitution. Substitution is when one base is exchanged for another. When this happens, the substitution can change the entire amino acid, or they have no effect at all. If the mutation arises from a mutagen and it helped the organism become more fit due to natural selection, their offspring would survive better and they in turn would leave more offspring. The environment affects fitness. Natural selection occurs in any situation where there is struggle for existence, variation in adaptation, and survival of the fittest. Natural selection depends on the organism's ability to reproduce.